During hybrid and online instruction, your teachers will often leave you feedback and comments to better understand the scores you may have received on a Schoology assignment. I'm going to show you a very quick way so you can find the feedback in the comments your teachers have shared with you. If you click on the left-hand side on grades, it will pull up all of the assignments that you have completed within that course so far this year. You will see scores given, and you might even see some other icons that we'll dig into. You will see that the teacher on the work submission left me a comment here asking me to please show more work. If I'm not sure exactly what that means, I can click into the test assignment and I can look at my submission to see what work I probably should have shown. You can also see the teacher may have left some feedback over here on the side as well. And looking at the submission, I didn't show any work, so it's probably a pretty good idea that the teacher told me that I needed to. Another thing that you can look at when you're receiving feedback from teachers is this rubric sign. If you click on this rubric, I can see that I received 11 out of 12. So I'm going to click on the rubric and I got a 4, a 4, and a 3. Well, in this comment button, if I hover over the comment, I can see what my teacher has said about that part of the assignment. It looks like the score I received the least amount of points on was accuracy. And looking at the accuracy button, oh, I guess George Washington was not the second president of the United States, so I did not get full points there. This is a great tool for you to better connect with the work that you're doing and really find out what your teachers are thinking and doing with the work that you turn in.